As more homeowners in Taylor, Michigan look for ways to improve their home's comfort, efficiency, and value, one trend has taken center stage: double-pane window replacements. These upgraded windows are quickly becoming the go-to solution for residents looking to make smarter, longer-lasting investments in their properties. From harsh winters to humid summers, Michigan's climate demands strong, reliable protection, and double-pane windows deliver just that. Energy efficiency that lowers utility bills is the top reason Taylor homeowners are switching to double-pane windows as energy savings. Unlike single-pane windows, double-pane models feature 2 layers of glass with a sealed space between them. This gap is often filled with inert gas, like argon or krypton, which acts as an insulator. During winter, this barrier helps retain heat inside your home, reducing reliance on your furnace. In summer, it keeps hot air out and cool air in, lowering the need for air conditioning. The result? Lower monthly energy bills and less strain on your HVAC system. For families in Taylor looking to cut long-term utility costs, the switch to double-pane is a smart move. Year-round comfort for Michigan's changing seasons. Michigan's weather can be unpredictable, with snowstorms one week and sunshine the next. Single-pane windows often fall short when it comes to climate control. Double-pane windows help maintain a consistent indoor temperature no matter what's going on outside. This is especially important in areas like Taylor, where frigid winds in January and muggy conditions in July are the norm. Homeowners who've upgraded to double-pane models often report fewer drafts, less condensation, and more consistent indoor comfort throughout the year. Noise reduction for a quieter home. Taylor is a vibrant city, with traffic, trains, and neighborhood activity creating ambient noise throughout the day. One lesser-known benefit of double-pane windows is their ability to significantly reduce sound transmission. The double layers of glass combined with the insulating gas barrier serve as a buffer against outside noise. Whether you live near a busy road or just want a quieter bedroom or home office, double-pane windows make your home a more peaceful place. Increased home value and curb appeal. Installing double-pane windows is not only a functional upgrade, it's a financial one, too. Real estate agents in Taylor consistently point to updated windows as a high-return investment for resale. Double-pane windows signal to prospective buyers that the home is energy efficient, well-maintained, and modernized. In addition, many double-pane window styles are customizable in terms of frame materials and finishes, allowing homeowners to enhance the exterior aesthetics of their home. Whether you're planning to sell soon or just want to improve your home's appearance, this upgrade adds both visual appeal and long-term value. Environmental benefits that matter. Eco-conscious living is a growing concern for many in Taylor. Double-pane windows contribute to a greener home by reducing energy waste. Because your home's heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard, they emit fewer greenhouse gases. Over time, this small change can have a big impact on your household's carbon footprint. Making the switch is a practical step for homeowners who care about both their finances and the planet. A long-term, low-maintenance solution. Double-pane windows are built for durability. Many models come with low emissivity, low-E coatings that reduce UV light damage to furniture and flooring. Others feature tilt-in designs for easy cleaning from inside the home. With minimal upkeep and resistance to fogging or seal failure, these windows offer peace of mind for busy families. Homeowners in Taylor are finding that the initial investment pays off quickly, both in savings and convenience. Conclusion: a smart upgrade for Taylor homes. From energy efficiency to noise control and resale value, double-pane windows check all the boxes for Michigan homeowners. Taylor residents who are planning home improvements are increasingly prioritizing window upgrades, and for good reason. As the seasons change and utility prices fluctuate, the benefits of double-pane window replacements only become clearer. For those seeking a long-lasting, value-adding improvement to their home, double-pane windows are a proven solution tailored perfectly to the Michigan lifestyle.